What's the meaning of Chesterfield? Chesterfield. Chesterfield.
Chesterfield. Chesterfield. Chesterfield has multiple meanings depending on the context. It can refer to a type of sofa or couch that is known for its distinctive quilted leather or fabric upholstery, rolled arms and back, and nailhead trim. It can also refer to a long-stemmed, straight-bowled smoking pipe, or to a style of overcoat with a velvet collar. Additionally, Chesterfield is the name of several geographic locations in the United States and Canada. Overall, the meaning of Chesterfield varies based on its usage and can refer to furniture, clothing accessories, or geographical locations.